Hey guys, it's your boy Dr. Jayson again. In this tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how to configure a Cisco router. I'll be using my 1841 router with a 24 port switch, 2950 series, of course with N devices at 3 N device. Alright, we'll just use the full. I was going to be testing a line V2R. Line con. Okay. Alright. I go ahead and do my connection. I'm going to be connecting using straight through cable from my router to my switch. Fasten to the 0/0. I'm going to do the same for my end devices. Yes, a network. Begin by configuring my router. No. Enable. Has to go to a privilege mode. In my privilege mode to my global configuration mode. I give the host name. That should be JSON. Enable secret in my router. Choose like putting passwords. Oh shit. That should be JSON again. Sorry, I'm not a good typer. Oh shit. So my PC is like trying to freeze up. Okay. I now configure my line con 0. Line con 0. Password. That should be JSON. And that should be at the login. If you want to access my route through the console port, you must be asked a password. You must be asked to insert a password. Go ahead and configure my line V2I. Flow. I should have a password to configure my V2I. Is simply like having access. If you want to get access to my router in a different network that's doing telnet, that's where I do configure line V2I. It was very important to do this configuration because the router is having like a complaint problem and you know the route, and you need to do some troubleshooting and verify destination on different network. He will do telnet, and that's where my line V2I is being configured. Alright, go ahead and do service and encrypt my passwords. So should not be visible. Service passwords. Flash encryption. To right. Interface. I configure my interface. Fast internet 0/0. Doing service password encryption is simply, for example, like doing configuration now and I being called to do something else. And the person comes to get access to my router or see where I'm going to. With my service password encryption already, he or she wants to be able to access my router because the password will be invisible, some kind of phony characters. Alright, I go ahead and give an IP address to my interface. IP address 192.168.1. 25, this will have 255.255.0. Alright, and give no shutdown command so as to turn up the interface up. Change state to up. Alright, and do right. Always make sure to save your configuration. Exit. Now configure my DHCP pool IP DHCP. IP DHCP pool. That should be Jayson. Alright, give a network. Yeah. I'm going to give a network of 192.168.1.0 with a subnet MAC of 255.255.255.0. Oh, shit, I didn't. 1.0.255.255.255.0 and default route of 192.168.1.1, and I do right. Okay, and I exit and I show run command show run command shows my present configuration. Alright, we have all my enable secret password being encrypted, a DHCP pool of 192.168.1.0 network, and with fast internet 0/0, status up, and line con 0 password encrypted too. If you want to access my router using this phony character, believe me, it's not going to work because this is not the password we use. I've simply encrypted my password by giving the command service password encryption, as you can see here above. Alright, it's always necessary to do this. I reload my router, alright, so as to make sure my configurations are working abnormal. Alright, connect a console cable to this end device here, to the RS2, to the console. This simply to check if my line con 0 is functioning abnormal. Access my router, desktop, terminal, nice and okay. Here it is working. Password demanded. Jayson. Enable. Jayson. Alright, functioning abnormal. I do same to check if my DHCP pool is functioning. Alright. Desktop. DHCP request. Successful. Do same for the OS. Successful. Successful. Alright. And I do telnet to see if my line V2Y is functioning. Go to my command prompt and I do telnet 192.168.1.1. Alright, it's functioning. Verification. This implies I can access my router on any network. Enable Jayson config 3 and alright. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Comments and I'll be showing you how to configure a DHCP pool. Thanks for watching.